The people had already realized that things were going to get worse. Many shops had already closed as the news of the election results coming in spread. The strangest thing to note here is that in the recent elections, which were meant to decide who would become the Prime Minister of France, but despite winning the more seat, the far-left party took to the streets and caused riots. Why the unrest in the country of love? Recently, France had an election to decide who would be the Prime Minister. Emmanuel Macron is still the president, but this election was for the parliament. The results have caused quite a stir. The far-left party won the most seats but not enough to form a government. This frustration led to violence in the streets. Shops had already started closing as soon as people realized trouble was coming. This situation highlights how mature India's democracy and citizens are, where election results are accepted peacefully. In contrast, do you guys remember the US Capitol attack after Trump's loss? Now, similar unrest is happening in France. France's Jewish community is feeling very unsafe. The chief rabbi of Paris even advised Jews to leave France for Israel or other safer countries. The chief rabbi is the religious leader of Jewish communities in a particular country. This is because the far-left party includes members who have made hateful comments against Jews and support Palestine. And also they recognize Palestine as a country. In France, there are three main leaders: Emmanuel Macron, Marine Le Pen, and Jean-Luc Mélenchon. Macron, a centrist, is still the president. Marine Le Pen, often compared to Trump, leads the far-right party with strong anti-immigration views. Jean-Luc Mélenchon leads the far-left party. Although Marine Le Pen's party got the highest percentage of votes, they didn't get enough seats to form a government. They ended up with 143 seats. Macron's party got 168 seats. And the far-left party got many seats but still not enough for a majority. Now, France has a hung parliament with no clear majority. It's uncertain how this will be resolved, whether through coalitions or maybe another election. This level of uncertainty is causing anxiety among various communities, especially Jews. France is in political turmoil with no clear government in sight. We'll have to wait and see how it unfolds.